guys, Mike from the Crypto Kitchen here, and today this is a part of our Getting Started in Crypto series. We're talking about one of everyone's favorite things is taxes. And yes, taxes do apply to crypto, and I want to show you a quick and easy way to do your taxes and how to keep on top of it. So we're going to jump over here. One of the simple apps is called Crypto Tax Calculator. So the link will be in the description down below. It's pretty simple. So you've got a dashboard here. You can just import your data. So you just go and find CoinSpot is the one I've already done. So if you click on that there, you can import data. To get that information, if you're using CoinSpot here in Australia, you just jump over here and you want to go to your history, your orders, your history. And over on the right here, you can export all your buys and sells and import it. So it just basically pulls it out as a CSV file and puts it up. So it's pretty simple. Now, some things I want to show you and just some things to think about and some tips and tricks on how to reduce your taxes. Now, one thing a lot of people don't know, so with taxes in Australia, we'll be able to review transactions, probably might make it easier, show you some things. So with the taxes on crypto in Australia, anything you earn from a staking reward. So for me here, I've got VeChain held with CoinSpot, so I get staking rewards of VTHO. So this is actually considered an income. So because it's just like comes in, it's considered an income into your wages. So one of the confusing things is about capital gains taxes, and I just want to show you something here with Ethereum. So there's a practice called first in, first out with the accounting progress of how everything works within selling and buying assets. Now, if we look at Ethereum as an example here, basically it's an unknown out, so I can categorize this. So I've just sent this to another wallet off an exchange, which I'm actually using, and I'll teach you this trick later on when you get more experience in crypto. I've actually got that ETH stored somewhere. I've taken the profit, so I actually have the money, but I haven't sold it, which is a trick, which is a pretty cool platform I use, which allows you to take profits, get the money, reinvest into something else without actually having to sell your ETH. So I actually haven't sold this. So this is a send, but it's a non-taxable event. So I'd actually put in there. So it actually is going to remove it from my income. All these other ones here, this is actually staking. So if you go advanced here, this is a receive, so it's a staking reward. So that there is going to go on as a taxable event for myself because it's income I received, and that's going to count to me personally as wages. Now, the thing with the first in, first out thing I want to really get across is if you buy Ethereum in Australia, if you buy Ethereum, say 12 months ago, if you bought Ethereum to say for $1,000 12 months ago, and you hold it, and you buy another Ethereum today, and just say you buy an Ethereum today for $2,000, well, I think it's about 3,000 Australian dollars at the time of shooting this video. So if you bought it today, and if you sell an Ethereum, say Ethereum pumps up to $6,000 in the next few weeks, and you sell that Ethereum, you're actually selling the Ethereum that come in the first time. So you paid $1,000 on it. So first in, first out. The good thing about that is you will pay less taxes because you held the asset for longer than 12 months. So you pay 50% capital gain tax. The downside of that is you're actually probably going to pay more around taxes because you actually have paid $1,000 for it sold for $6,000. So, it can be a bit of a false economy capital gains tax, something to think about and remember. And that's how it's applied. It's first in, first out. So if you paid $1,000 for it 12 months ago and you sell it for $6,000, there's a $5,000 upside there for you. So you'll be paying 50% capital gains on that, which is, $2,500, which is going to go towards your income. So it's pretty simple. And that's why I love using this crypto tax calculator. Down below, there's a link in the description below. There's a discount code from a company called Crypto Spend. So if you use their code, Crypto Spend, you'll receive 40% off. I highly recommend everyone just grab this and just get on the basic plan for $50. This can also help you if you're updating it as you're going along during the year. This can also really help you and go, well, if I sell this, what sort of taxable event's going to create for me? So for $50 a year, you can really look and go, hey, well, I'm better off not selling this, holding this asset on. Or, there might be times, sometimes you've made a really good income on certain assets and you've lost on others. You might be better off to sell the losers because they're going to help you write the income off on others. So it's a really cool platform. I highly recommend get it. If you jump over here, once you've done everything, I haven't done it. This is an account we use for video purposes here. If you have a look at overall gain, looks like we've gained $13,000. We're just going to we'll review a few more transactions. It's probably more my ETH transactions. I normally use this to buy ETH transactions to transfer off to somewhere else. Here we go, ETH. There's one ETH there out. It's not a taxable event. I've sent it. I still actually own that ETH in another wallet somewhere else. So I actually haven't sold it. So if you haven't sold it, you haven't converted into an asset, so you don't need to pay taxes on it. So we'll also leave a link down below to the ATO's website to getting an understanding of how the ATO view cryptocurrencies. Highly recommend. The simplest thing with cryptocurrencies is just treat them like an investment. Buy it, hold on to it. Anyone that has brought cryptocurrencies within the last 4 years ago, has made a lot of money out of cryptocurrency. So buying and holding is one of the best things to do, and just a store of value. So thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear any comments or questions. Just put in the description below. And we'd love to hear your stories of your favorite tokens down below. Thanks and have a great day.